Hi beauty lovers, welcome to my channel, but maybe that's your first time over here. If that's the case, thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'll be reviewing and demonstrating the Body Glow by Kylie Cosmetics. There is a product that I really like it a lot, but only few people know how to really use it correctly. So if you want to know how to use it correctly or how to take it more out of your product, then you should watch this video until the end. But before we go on, I would like to ask you something. If you're enjoying watching this video, I would love if you could actually like and share this video, because it does help the YouTube algorithm to push my videos towards a larger audience. And in this oversaturated niche that I am in, I could use any help that I can get to achieve my next goal, which is 5,000 followers, alright? So thank you so much in advance. It is not the first time that Kylie released the Body Glow. The Body Glow was first featured in the Reindeer Christmas collection. Inside the packaging you will find 50 milliliters of product, which is ideal to take with you on vacation, to create that beautiful glow for in the evenings. Well, I tried to create some swatches on my skin and also on my model's skin, but because it turns too sheer, it's quite complicated to see any comparisons when it's next to each other. But when I lay them down on my mixed palette, you can actually see all the different shades much easier. For example, this is the number 100 or all gold everything. You can see that has a slightly yellow shade, golden undertone. The second color is called Always on the Glow, and it has a more rosy gold undertone. The third color is called Build Different, which has a more coppery kind of shimmer. And the fourth one, Can't Handle the Heat, has a beautiful deep bronze color, ideal for anyone with a deeper skin tone. But now allow me to share with you my personal insight of how I like to use this product. For example, most of the people, when they see this product inside the package, they think, okay, beautiful body glow, it's quite literally what it's saying here. But when you use this right on your skin, what I notice is that because the pigmentation is very high, it does get a kind of a almost metallic finish to it, which I don't always think is the best way to approach how to use this product. I'm gonna show you why. For example, I have here Can Handle the Heat. When you apply Can Handle the Heat right on your skin like this, you can see that the color has a nice payoff and it blends into your skin, but quite dry, and I don't know, not my favorite way to do that. How do I like to use this though? As you can see here on my video, I like to use it mixed with a body lotion. What I do is I use 1/3 of the Body Glow and 2/3 of the body lotion. In this case, I'm mixing here with the body lotion Lavender by Kylie Skin, but you can actually mix with any body lotion of your preference. But now I'm gonna show you on this hand how I actually like to use it. In this case, I did mix with the body lotion, and you can actually see the biggest difference is that this becomes this kind of beautiful dewy glow, almost butter-like skin, and this one is still very metallic, which in some cases it could give a kind of a dryness feeling to it, especially if you're coming from the sun and your skin is dehydrated. So mixing with the body lotion is going to give this beautiful hydrating butter-like luscious skin. I can imagine that when you buy this product, the only thing you think is, okay, this is supposed to use on your body because it's called Body Glow. But there are many different ways that you can use this beautiful sheen emulsion on your body. For example, you can use this underneath your foundation. Yes, you just heard me well. You're gonna use this underneath your foundation. Choose the shade that best suits your skin tone. In my case, I'm using for my model Can't Handle the Heat. What you want to do is you want to highlight the highest points of the face. I did apply already some on the nose bridge. I will now apply on the highest points of the cheeks, right below the eyes. I'm also applying this on the chin. I'm also applying on the top of the cupid bow. In this entire area, I'm gonna also apply right next to the nose wings. And yes, you've seen this correctly. I'm also applying this where you would usually apply the concealer. And believe me, this is one of the things that you have to trust the process, alright? So after you highlighted all the highest points of the cheeks, what you want to do, you want to eventually use your concealer or color corrector. In this case, I'm mixing it here, 2 different color correctors, an orange one and a red one. This is going just to warm it up, some dark areas on the face of my model. And to seal everything, I'm using a water-based foundation. In this case, I'm using the Studio Radiance Face and Body by MAC Cosmetics. The reason I'm choosing a very transparent foundation first is because my model, she has a luxurious problem, which is a skin which is beautiful. There's almost nothing there that I want you to cover. The second thing is I want to have this sheen, this luminescent effect coming through the foundation. This is going to create this multi-dimensional and luminescent kind of skin, which is beautiful. It's ideal for videos, but also ideal for evening out with your friends or with your boyfriend. After applying the foundation, you want to set everything with a loose set powder. In this case, I'm using the loose set powder by Kylie Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite products when it comes to set a foundation, especially in this case, which is a very dewy, hydrating foundation. You can actually see where I'm rolling the brush. It's almost like sucking all the moist of this foundation without making it look cracked or dehydrated somehow, alright? After doing this, you can just build your foundation the way you preferably do. So what is my final conclusion about the Body Glow by Kylie Cosmetics? First of all, this is a limited edition, so I think you should be quick, because once this is sold out, maybe then only next year, if Kylie decided to release this. So when it comes to price, it's quite a reasonable price. It is $23.99 or €28.99. Keeping in mind that this is a clean, vegan and cruelty-free product. Everything that consumers from now wants to. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it. And please remember to like and share this video, and also to subscribe to my channel, because it does help the YouTube algorithm to push my videos towards a larger audience. So thank you so much for all your time and support, and I see you all next time, alright? Bye bye!